What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This by far probably has to be my most favorite thing I've done. Take a look at these. Custom Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle slides, flip-flops, whatever you guys want to call them. Pretty simple. This is acrylic paint. What do you guys call them? Flops, flip-flop, sandals? So keep watching because I want to show you how to make your own custom Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle flip-flops. Let's go. Cowabunga! Really fun to make. I've never painted on any kind of shoe surface before, so it was a learning experience for me. The only thing I used on this thing, guys, was acrylic paint. And if you're gonna use that, make sure you seal it up with maybe some Mod Podge or some kind of sealer spray, because you don't want all your hard work to go to waste. You want to keep the artwork from chipping or cracking. There they are. I have to say, these are probably my most favorite thing I've painted thus far on this channel. I love the turtles, and these came out awesome. So you know these bad boys are going to be up on my store. If you guys are interested in them, the link will be below. Check it out. If you guys are new and think about just trying this out, you can pick these up from 5 and below. Even your local Dollar Tree might have some of these flip-flops. All right, guys, this video is wrapped up. But before you go, don't forget to hit the 3-button combo. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And don't forget to comment below and let me know what you thought of this custom and what other customs you might want to see on this channel. That'll do it for me. I'm heading out, and I'll catch you on the next one.